The next part of the story, The Child, written by Munshi Premchand, is as following. The text is: The same day, by chance, I ran into Gangu in the market. The same day, by chance, the narrator went in the market and he met to Gangu. He was upset, agitated, completely lost. The narrator saw that Gangu was upset. Agitated means he was excited, and he was completely lost. As soon as he saw me, his eyes filled with tears. As soon as he saw to the narrator or his previous master, his eyes filled with tears. He came to me and said, he came to the narrator and said, not with embarrassment but with pain. He said to the narrator, but he was not in embarrassment or trouble, but with pain. He said with pain, Sir, Gomti has betrayed me too. Gomti had betrayed or deceived him too. I said with cruel pleasure but pretended sympathy. The narrator said with cruel pleasure but he pretended sympathy with Gangu. I told you so, but you would not listen. The narrator said that he had told to Gangu of this, but he did not listen. Now you must endure the consequences. Now, as he had not listened to his advice, he will have to bear the consequences or the result. What else can you do? What else he could do now? Did she take all your money or did she leave any for you? The narrator asked in a pretending way to Gangu if she had taken all his money or had she left something for him. Gangu put his hand on his breast as if his heart was wounded by my words. Gangu put his hand on his breast as if his heart was wounded by the narrator's words and said, Oh no, sir, don't say so. He said that it was not so. She has not touched a single thing. She had not touched a single thing in the house. She has even left behind her own things. She had even left behind her own things. I don't know what defect she saw in me. Gangu told to the narrator he did not know what defect she saw in him. I was not worthy of her. What else can I say? Gangu said that perhaps he was not worthy of her. What else he could say? She was educated and I am completely illiterate. She was educated and I am completely illiterate means the Gangu said that she was educated and he was completely illiterate. It was surprising that she stayed with me so long, and it was surprising that she stayed with him so long. If I had stayed with her a while longer, I would have become a man. If he had stayed with her um, a while longer, he would have become a man. What can I tell you about her, sir? What he could tell about her uh, to the narrator. With whatever she may have been to others, to me she was a gift sent by some god. Whatever she may have been to others, but she was like a gift for him, sent by some god. I don't know what mistake I made. He told that he did not know what mistake he had made. But I swear she never so much as looked angry. But I swear means he sweared that uh, she never so much as looked angry. She was never looked angry. What am I, sir? I am a laborer. And he tells about himself. I am a laborer. Gangu told about himself that he was a laborer worth 10 or 12 annas. He was worth means he could earn only 10 or 12 annas, but she was so blessed that she made this little go a long way. She was so blessed means she was so happy that she made this little go a long way. She cooperated. Go a long way means she cooperated with him, and we never felt that we lacked anything. They were living in a cooperated way, and they never felt that they lacked anything. I was deeply disappointed. The narrator was deeply disappointed by the reply of Gangu. I had expected him to recount a tale of her infidelity. He had expected from Gangu that he would recount or he would narrate a tale of Gomti's unfaithfulness, and I would have sympathized with his blind devotion. He had thought that uh, he he will sympathize with him for his blind devotion for Gomti, but this fool's eyes were not yet opened. But the narrators thought that Gangu was still a fool and his eyes were not yet opened for Gomti. He was still singing her praises. He was still saying words of praises for her. He definitely seemed mentally disturbed. According to the narrator, Gangu was definitely mentally disturbed. In this paragraph, we see the narrator is telling us about what he was thinking for Gangu, and he was pretending with Gangu in an another way. In this way, the narrator makes a connection with the readers. I started a cruel joke, so she did not take anything from your house. As the things were happening in an opposite way, then the narrator started a cruel joke. So means as he was praising, as Gangu was praising for Gomti, uh, so she did not take away anything from his house. No, sir, not a single thing. Gangu replied that she did not take anything, even a single thing, and she loved you a lot too, and she loved him a lot too. What can I say, sir? Gangu replied. What he could say to him, I will remember that love till my dying day. He will remember her love till his dying day. And yet she left you and went away. When there is so much love in Gangu and Gomti, and yet she left you and went away, and the narrator asked why she had left to him. That is why what is surprising, sir. Gangu told that was also a surprising thing for him. Have you ever heard of a woman's frailty? The narrator joked. Have you ever heard? If Gangu had ever heard of woman's frailty, frailty means being unfaithful. Oh, sir, don't say so. The Gangu said that the narrator should not say this thing. Even if someone puts a knife to my throat, I won't stop singing her praises. He told that even if someone put a knife to his throat, he would not stop singing her praises. Then go find her. The narrator, when he saw that Gangu was praising to Gomti, uh, then the narrator said in a straight way, then he should go and find her. Yes, sir, I won't rest until I find her. Gangu told that he would not rest until he found her. If only I can find out where she is, I will immediately I will go immediately and fetch her. If only he could find out where she had gone, he would go immediately and will bring her back. And sir, my heart says that she will definitely return with me. And he told to the narrator that his heart said that she would definitely return to him. You will see, the narrator would say, she did not leave on account of being angry with me. It was belief of Gangu that she did not leave his house because of being angry on him. Uh, my heart cannot accept this. Uh, he told that his heart could not accept that she was angry with him. I will go and roam around jungles and mountains for a couple of months. He told that he would go and roam about. He will wander here and there in search of her, even if he had to go in jungles and mountains for a couple of months. He will go. Uh, if he survived, I will see you again. He will see to the narrator again. So saying, he went off looking like a madman. So saying this, he went off. He was looking like a mad person.